Everyone dreams of getting rich. Having enough money to live comfortably and never worry about bills sounds amazing. But how do you actually become wealthy? Many books and videos promise quick riches, but they often give confusing advice or unrealistic promises. This video is different. Here, you will find honest and simple advice on how to get rich. We won't promise overnight success. Instead, we will share practical steps from people who have built their wealth over time. Getting rich isn't just about having lots of money. It's about financial freedom and making choices that improve your life. It requires the right mindset, smart money management, and seizing opportunities when they come. In this video, you'll learn the basics of wealth building, including education, income strategies, and effective money management. Let's start this journey together towards achieving your financial goals. Number 1. Understanding wealth. To get rich, you first need to understand what wealth really means. Wealth isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about financial freedom, security, and the ability to make choices that improve your life. Think of a person who works hard but struggles to pay bills. Compare them to someone who has saved money, invested wisely, and doesn't worry about money problems. The second person enjoys financial freedom, which is the true meaning of wealth. Building wealth starts with a mindset shift. You need to think long-term and be patient. Wealth doesn't come overnight. It takes time and effort. You have to believe that you can achieve your financial goals and stay motivated, even when it's tough. A good example is Sarah, who started with a low-paying job but always saved a part of her income. She learned about investing and gradually grew her money. Today, she enjoys financial independence. Understanding wealth also means being ready to learn. Read books, take courses, and talk to successful people. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. By focusing on long-term goals and continuous learning, you can build real wealth and enjoy financial freedom. Number 2, the foundation of wealth. Building wealth starts with a strong foundation. This means having the right knowledge, skills, and network to support your financial journey. Take John as an example. He came from a humble background but was determined to succeed. The first step he took was educating himself. He read books about money, attended workshops, and followed financial experts. Learning is crucial because it helps you make smart decisions about your money. Next, John focused on developing his skills. He knew that having a high-paying job or a successful business requires expertise. So, he took courses to improve his abilities and stayed updated on trends in his industry. Building skills can open up more opportunities for earning money. Another important part of the foundation is networking. John connected with successful people who gave him advice and guidance. Networking helps you learn from others' experiences and can open doors to new opportunities. Find mentors who can guide you and build relationships with people who share your goals. The foundation of wealth is about continuous learning, skill development, and strong connections. By investing in these areas, you set yourself up for long-term success and create a solid base for building your wealth. Number 3, income generation strategies. Generating income is a key step in building wealth. It's not just about working hard, but also about working smart. Let's explore some effective strategies to increase your income. First, consider your current job. Are you making the most of it? Seek promotions and raises by improving your skills and taking on more responsibilities. Sometimes, simply asking for a raise can make a big difference. Also, think about side gigs. Many people start small businesses or freelance projects to earn extra money. For example, Jane works as a teacher but also tutors students online in the evenings, which significantly boosts her income. Another strategy is entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be risky but very rewarding. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer a unique product or service. Begin small to minimize risks and gradually expand as you gain experience and profits. An example is Mike, who started a small online store selling handmade crafts. With dedication and smart marketing, his business grew, providing him with a steady income stream. Investing is another powerful way to generate income. This could be in stocks, real estate, or other ventures. Investing allows your money to work for you, growing over time. Sarah, who started investing in stocks early in her career, now enjoys dividends and capital gains that significantly boost her income. Lastly, don't forget passive income. This is money you earn without active involvement, like rental income from properties or royalties from a book you wrote. Passive income streams can provide steady cash flow and add to your wealth. Number 4, money management. Managing your money well is crucial for building wealth. It's not just about how much you earn, but how you handle what you have. First, create a budget. A budget helps you see where your money goes and ensures you're spending less than you earn. Track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, eating out less or canceling unused subscriptions can save a lot of money. Next, focus on saving. Aim to save a portion of your income regularly. Even small amounts add up over time. Open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers to make saving easier. Think of Emma, who saved a bit from each paycheck. Over time, she built a substantial emergency fund and could invest in opportunities. Debt management is also important. Avoid unnecessary debt and pay off any existing debts as quickly as possible. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, should be a priority. Use strategies like the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first, gaining momentum as you go. Invest wisely. Don't let your savings just sit in a bank account. Learn about different investment options and choose ones that match your goals and risk tolerance. Investing can help your money grow faster. By budgeting, saving, managing debt, and investing, you can control your finances and build a strong foundation for wealth. Good money management ensures that you make the most of your income and prepare for a secure financial future. Number 5, the role of luck and timing. When it comes to getting rich, luck and timing play important roles. While hard work and smart decisions are crucial, sometimes being in the right place at the right time can make a big difference. Consider the story of Steve, who invested in a small tech company just before it became very popular. His investment grew significantly because he made his move at the perfect time. This shows that sometimes success can come from seizing the right opportunity. Luck often involves being prepared to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. This means staying informed and ready to act. For example, Linda always keeps an eye on market trends. When she noticed the growing demand for eco-friendly products, she started a business selling reusable bags. Her timing was perfect, and her business thrived. However, relying solely on luck is not a strategy. It's important to work hard and make informed decisions. Luck favors those who are prepared. Keep learning, stay alert, and be ready to take calculated risks. Remember, everyone faces setbacks, and not every opportunity will lead to success. But by combining hard work with a bit of luck and good timing, you can increase your chances of building wealth. Keep pushing forward, and don't be discouraged by the ups and downs along the way. Number 6, the psychological aspect of wealth. Building wealth isn't just about numbers and strategies. It's also about the right mindset. Your thoughts and attitudes towards money play a big role in your financial success. First, believe in your ability to achieve wealth. Confidence and a positive attitude can drive you to take the necessary steps toward your goals. For instance, many successful people visualize their success and set clear, achievable goals. This helps them stay focused and motivated. Fear of failure can hold you back. It's normal to face setbacks, but don't let them stop you. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. Jane, a small business owner, faced many failures before her business succeeded. Her resilience and determination were key to her success. Discipline and patience are also important. Wealth building takes time, and it's easy to get frustrated. Staying disciplined with your budget and investments, even when progress seems slow, is crucial. Over time, these small, consistent efforts lead to significant results. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who inspire and support your financial goals. Their encouragement can help you stay motivated. By cultivating a positive mindset, staying disciplined, and being resilient, you can overcome psychological barriers and successfully build your wealth. Remember, a strong mind is just as important as a strong financial plan. Building wealth is a journey that requires knowledge, strategy, and the right mindset. It's not about getting rich quickly, but about making smart, steady progress. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.